my beautiful and amazing family. How are you all doing? Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. If today's the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you can see in this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel, all opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you love what I am doing in this channel, why don't you click on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that we become one big family. All right, my wonderful family, this video we're about to watch, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you got some lesson from it. All right, my wonderful people, let's go straight into the video. Now, watch it.
Everything, we have every right, we can stand and defend anything at any time, but we are so much stupid because of some idiot selfish interest, because of we no want a choice. Do you think our forefathers they live a kind of stupid life we're living today, and it can accessible? Do you think we are speaking Igbo today because of God love us so much, God give us Biafra? You think that if you do not fight for Biafra, Biafra will come to pass? You think that somebody did not fight for you, you will still live? You think that somebody did not fight for you and they are still speaking Igbo today? Up a shameful thing. Igbo people, we are most shameless people in this earth. Shameless people in this earth. Igbo people in this planet earth, we are the most shameless people in this earth. Because what cannot happen to other tribes in this earth is happening to us, and we take it and we overlook it because we are the most stupid people, we are the most useless people. But they say Igbo people, Igbo people, they are the most intelligent. Even go to abroad, first class people are the Igbos. People will be say they are the most engineering people, intelligent people in the world are the Igbos. But in terms of defend yourself as a reasonable being, as a human being, you say you're right, you say you're everything. There is nothing good about us as a human being. I mean, we're the most useless people in this earth now because that is how they take us. Look at how they deal with people in Biafra land. Look at how they treat people. Okay, let us keep Biafra aside. Look at how they maltreat us in a land that we live. Our forefathers, they born us, we grow. And today, most of us, we are into this age. And look at how they are molesting us in our land. Enough is enough. No, let us change everything. Because I change if like Donald Trump from US or wherever, if like go call any human right, one day, only some man, a United States man that tweeted talking about Ambazonians, that whether Cameroon like it or they don't like it, Ambazonians, it was like predicting it. Either 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month or any day in time, Ambazonians, they must have their freedom. My brother, Kambakuno, let me tell you people, we are bigger than Ambazonians. We are far bigger intelligent than these people. But look at what these people are doing. Look at how they are. Look at how these people have declared their own. Their own independence. But me and you, I ain't gonna all hair Biafra. All hair Biafra all over the world. We don't have Biafra all over the world. What is the thing have we? What have we done? What have we done? What have we done? Nothing. Only thing we people know how to do is to be proud. God will punish all of that. Only proudness behind my email. Important like this is not even car. And when we investment, God will punish all of us. Including God punish all of us. We are most useless people in this earth. Look at how they are maltreating our elders in village. Look at how they're from your own blood brother who will say enough is enough. Let my people go. Let my people live a good life. They abducted him. Some useless useless people called your governors and other idiots. Ndia took ego gakporo nwanne gi nwoke Nnamdi Kanu from above nono. Agakporo ya. Onwekwu ihe o mere. Onwekwu ihe nwoke mere. Ndị agakporo nwoke a sie nkaga. Today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is suffering, languishing. Oziokwu, you have not had Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did anything. You had nothing that like me or Tumnagina na Kediye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody will ever tell you. They go and kidnap him. with the help of one nigga work, the same useless people we have as a brother, the same stupid people we have as a politician, as whatever nonsense it be. The engineer we have makana only the most useless people in this earth, the most stupid tribe in this earth. The engineer we have one he like what we have. Omne like happier, but ezoku bondo. And any day time I change all this nonsense na happen, or any day time we change it, then we will come back. And remember that when Masnaka was with us, he said that there is a spirit in Biafra land we overlook it, and nobody is, and we don't feed him with the food that he wants, and that thing is called Biafra. That any day in time we stand this Biafra, that is the time we are going to retrieve, or we are going to bring back everything that we have lost. One name working and one name one. Obni bukonye we na ni ham na asu. Asum na gi na asu today can the period. O ihe memu na gi na asasi ban ka suta. Bumakolo nwendo nwro maka ihe a. O nwendo nwro maka asi bom na gi na asu. That is the reason why we are still speaking this language. And again one na Biafra. Now found there are some Fulani from Chad, Niger, different part of useless country in this Africa country. Habatan na Nigeria. Bia na Biafra. Na treat mo na gi na agbabushi nwanne m nwoke na nwanne gi nwaanyị a na-eme ihe a na-eme na-egbu nna gi na-egbu nne gi. None of us is doing anything. Ihe ga-eme bụ highest mgbe ihe bido na-eme, you wear your phone as stupid as idiot, most useless stupid tribe I have ever seen in this earth. You wear phone gi na-ese yisecha ya a drop on social media. World leaders, what Nigeria is doing to us, God punish all of them. God will appear for this language. One day, only time borute like this, appear for time go, only time borute like this, and get me choose any name and begin to answer any name. Not above 9. Because it's a very shameful that the monarchy we are the most popular and most indigenous people in this earth, but we are the most useless and cowardice in this earth at the same time. What do we gain from our cowardice? What do we gain from our stupid selfishness? What do we gain in this earth? I don't know why I'm asking this question, but what do we gain? Nothing. Only thing we know how to do is to make mouth, to speak, proud of nonsense. It ended there. Most stupid tribe I have ever seen is this my own language. This Igbo language that I speak some of it. That is the most cowardice tribe in this earth. Look at what they're doing in our land. Look at what they're doing in our land. And every one of you people are there, looking at it every blessed day. And they go one nigi moki, they go one nigi wine, and nagi negi, and now piandaku, they go ndiaka. Even animal self, and animal like that. On a beach, you go and say, before you make it, before you go and do. My little teacher, one nigga working and one nigga one I live Biafra. If I claim my Ebonya Anambra State, if I claim my Ebonya Enugu State, if I claim Ebonya Ebonyi State, if I claim, you need claim all this nonsense we are claiming. I don't know. I'm almost sometimes I know shame as a tribe in this earth. I don't. Sometimes if I think about it, I'm always ask myself, do we have a shame as a tribe in this earth? I didn't get it at all. Look at how they molest Chumu Talago, ordinary and Arthur. Oh yeah, common aqua, just a little, just ordinary dress. This man wear. He wear a dress, and what did they do? They kidnapped him. They kidnapped him, molested him because of oh yeah. And today, none of all these useless people that is even called even celebrities. Look at the most stupid people we have as the celebrities, Igbo tribe celebrities. Look at how you people are useless and stupid. Everybody you only open an attack, but you don't know that what happened to that man, it will surely come to pass. You people will definitely see it. Because what happened to somebody and you do not condemn it, it will surely come to you. Because you have an old pot saw and go backyard, or anything that old pot saw and they throw it backyard, definitely the new one they will bought, it will surely come to pass what happened to the old one. And the engineer let us get sense. If you join you claim what is my business? onye nke apụta onwe ihe gbasara, onye nke apụta onwe ihe gbasara. We are dirtying ourselves. Mgbe ihe ga-ebido, it will over this one, it will be bigger than this one. And every one of us that is doing all this thing, one day, Igbo people, Igbo, make una change una nonsense. One day, ọkwa ike onye ọbụla bido na-azazi kwekwe ebe a. Onye ọbụla bido onye ọbụla choose any afa bido na-aza. Ma otu anyị na-ekwu, as we dey talk like this, nna anyị nwanne, they say blood is thicker than water. That is the reason why most of us are still talking like this. Because when you also come like this, so time now, you want them choose, you will just, you can even miss my page. I'll just change my page name. I can just change my page name. You will miss it, and then you will only find out that sometimes you get my video. But that's not blood is thicker than water. I can't live where my father from because I'm out there, and you people are there looking at what is happening in your should I call it in your land, because I'm not even interested anymore in it, because a kind of thing happened to us and we have seen it, we take it, we allow it. My brother, I think it's a quiet time everybody should choose any name and start answering, because it's a very shameful thing that is happening to us. It is happening to us, this kind of shameful thing happening to every Igbo people. Because let us keep Biafra aside itself. The main thing. Look at how you people allow every single nonsense happening in our land, and every one of you people are happy. They did all they are doing in our land. Everybody take it. That is how everybody take it. No problem. Reason why we are still talking like this. We are still talking like this. But as you people have choose to be so stupid and cowardly as all of us, I will not count myself out. Because if I'm saying Igbo people we are most useless tribe in this earth, I'm part of it. Because some nigga change everything. Let us change all this nonsense that is happening in our land. If you people doesn't watch one movie one day, all can get mad. If my smartphone begin to watch something and see what, at least sometimes as a reasonable person, type freedom on, anywhere, type freedom and watch how freedom is. Watch how life is before you get it easy, before you be free. Let us be wise, Biafrans. Let us be wise. Let me even call it Igbo people. Let us be wise. All this our proudness, Igbo this and that, Igbo this, let us shut it down and do the needful. Even if you go too much. What is happening in our land is getting out of hand. And as well of us, we are keeping quiet, allowing all these things happen. One day, Oga Adronyo Bunel easy. We are going to completely. It will not be easy for us. Let us do the needful and stop all this nonsense. Chimotalaga was released after they might kidnap him, because Nigeria is a terrorist threat. After they kidnapped Chimotalaga, they released him. Now after releasing him, then DSS arrested him. Now most of you people jubilating, because some of you people even in that zombie country don't even know what is happening to you people. After they release him, because some of you people are still typing, oh, we are happy this and that. I want you to broadcast it for you again, so that you all got baginishi. You that is jumping around, they have released Chimotalaga. They have rearrested him. Now DSS have arrested him, so that it will enter your head, so that you will know what you are doing to yourself. You are doing yourself evil. Nobody is doing you evil. Nobody is punishing you. Not punish you. And each no on the other attack. How stupid we are, how useless we are. I want Jakumai not to my half. I want Jakumai not to my half for now. I'm fine at like this. You imagine I was on a lie. You engine I was a lie. I want no more when you have more in it. The book I happy here in a moment or Diroma. We are treating ourselves badly and calling other people saying be them. If we do not allow this kind of thing, how do you think it will happen? If we would not allow this kind of nonsense happening around us, how do you think it will be happening? Look at how they are molesting people, treating people. You don't care there's maybe major on the Iraq or Nigeria or whatever. Let us stop doing ourselves like this. It's very bad. We are maltreating ourselves. Nobody is suffering us. Sometimes I feel some useless one, stupid one. Any Nigerian, are you not the one allowing it happening to you? The Nigerian after like this, all person behind me. If like this, we have the strategy. God punish your strategies. If like this, I'm the happier way. God punish your happier way. If like this, we are the most giant people. We are the most brilliant people. God punish all those your brilliant and all those your giant. Catch who with that your brilliantness. Your brilliantness that is not helping you anywhere. Your whatever you may claim that it does not help you anywhere. You claim kanka, ndi ba ayebo kanka, ayenwa bodogu, ayenwa ji Nigeria. Ijiri Nigeria, ndi Nigeria, common Nigeria na ataga afufu. Ijiwere Nigeria, you claim ji Nigeria. God punish humanity. God punish all of now. We are treating ourselves very bad. Let us change all this nonsense. All this claiming, so one they can help tackle me here, change all this nonsense. It's getting out of hand. All this nonsense that is happening. Here. We are treating ourselves so badly. Nobody is suffering near you. Nobody is suffering near you. Nobody is killing near you. Because in that happen now, sometimes if I think of it, I'll ask myself, does it mean in that area? Honestly,
the only thing now we need to be doing is how to bring the leader of Biafra, His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu, out from the DSS custody, and everybody need to talk about it. Honestly, that should be the topic or the event of the day. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Please do well to share this video with your friends and family. See you when I see you. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress here on YouTube any day, anytime. For now, bye.